Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a collagen night wrapping mask. First, ensure your skin is perfectly clean and dry. This prepares your skin to fully absorb the mask's beneficial ingredients. Next, apply your usual toner, serums, and moisturizers. The collagen mask acts as a sealant, locking in the products you've already applied. Make sure your skin feels dry to the touch before moving to the next step. Now it's time to apply the mask. Dispense a small amount, roughly the size of a dime, onto your fingertips or a spatula. Gently spread an even, thin layer across your entire face. Be careful to avoid the sensitive skin around your eyes, eyebrows, and lips. This ensures comfortable wear and prevents any unwanted residue in those areas. Allow the mask to dry for about 15 minutes before heading to bed. For optimal results, leave the collagen night wrapping mask on overnight. This allows the ingredients to work deeply, enhancing hydration and elasticity while you sleep. In the morning, you can gently peel off the dried mask from the edges, or simply rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Afterward, continue with your regular morning skincare routine to lock in the benefits and start your day with refreshed, radiant skin. For consistent benefits, aim to use your collagen night wrapping mask 2 to 3 times per week. However, if your skin is particularly dry, especially during colder months, daily use can be beneficial. Always store your mask in a cool, dry place to maintain its efficacy. Remember, healthy skin also comes from within, so staying hydrated is key. For more tips and to find great deals, including on Owala water bottles, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your journey to plumper, more radiant skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.